Listen to Angel Reese make the noise that they was making that when she was at the line. Listen. Don't nobody want to give you the ball, girl. You out here screaming for the rock like you good. They got it. You terrible. Listen. Turn it up. Is she so stilly? You got Dantas Tiberius right there, Dubby. You think you got a mismatch. She has help. You're not the only, it's not unrivaled. It's not 3-on-3. Look. I got it. Damaris is right there, stupid. Okay? You're not the one that's open. It's Evans that's open. You want the ball so badly, huh? You think because you got coasting.